Guys, Khulekani is dead, and that is according to the Friday episode of Umkhokha the case. You know guys, a lot has happened on the past 2 weeks on Umkhokha the case. Velasa seem to be coming after Khulekani full time now, and I posted a few videos with updates on this plot, so you can scroll down the channel to watch. You know, I for one never really thought that Khulekani would die. I thought he was going to have a short illness that would bring him back to his senses. I never really thought that it would go this far, but it happened guys. Khulekani is dead, and that is according to the show. When this week began, Khulekani received an invite from an international church requesting him to attend a conference in the US. Wait, was it the US? Well, yeah, I think it was the US, I'm not really sure, but I think it was the United States. So, he has been busy planning for that conference this week, and while he was planning, he had several dreams of Mthembu. On his first dream, he dreamt of Mthembu when he was young, and in that dream, they were playing soccer together, and Mthembu told him that he will always be there for him. And after that, he saw Mthembu live now, and that was on the scene that you are seeing on your screen right now. When he saw him, Mthembu told Khulekani that he needs to come back home and that his people need him. For the first time after all Mthembu's visits, Khulekani was so worried. So when he was about to leave for his trip, he collapsed, and at that time, his family was there to show him support. After he collapsed, his family was busy trying to save him, with Omabosi doing the CPR, which is where they realized that he is dead. And that is how the episode ends, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't know, do we now prepare for Khulekani's funeral on Monday episode, or Spamala is going to come and save him? Can someone please clarify that in the comment section? Because with Umkhokha, anything is possible. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I had for you in this video. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, let's engage again on the next video.